In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to withdraw money from QuickBooks. In QuickBooks Online, a withdrawal is typically recorded as a transfer of money from one account to another. Think moving funds from your checking account to savings or to a cash-on-hand account, so your books reflect what actually happened at the bank. First, open QuickBooks Online in your browser and sign in. You'll land on the homepage dashboard. From here, look for the Create or New button, the one with the plus icon. It's usually at the top or on the left sidebar depending on your layout. Click that to open the list of available transaction types. From the menu, choose Transfer. This opens the transfer form, which is designed specifically to record money moving between two of your accounts inside QuickBooks. This is the best way to show that funds left one account and arrived in another without treating it like income or an expense. If you're moving money to or from a personal account, or you're handling an owner draw or capital contribution, those are special cases. Check your accounting method or talk to your accountant to make sure you're using the right category. For moving funds between business accounts, transfer is the right pick. Now fill out the details. Start with transfer funds from and choose the account the money is leaving, like your checking account. Then in transfer funds to, select the destination account. This could be savings or a cash-on-hand account if you withdrew cash. Enter the amount carefully and make sure it matches the actual bank movement. Set the date to when the withdrawal or transfer actually occurred. Aligning dates with your bank activity keeps reconciliation smooth. In the memo field, add a short note such as the reason for the transfer or any internal reference that will help you or your bookkeeper later. If your workflow includes keeping backup documentation, you can attach a file, like a transfer confirmation, so everything stays in one place. Before you save, double-check the from and to accounts. It's easy to flip them, and reversing them will make your balances look off. Once everything looks correct, click Save or Save and Close. QuickBooks records the transfer immediately. You'll see it reflected in the balances of both accounts, and it will appear in your recent transactions and in each account's register. A quick tip: QuickBooks records the transaction in your books, but the actual movement of money still happens through your bank. If you've connected bank feeds, this transfer should later match the bank activity, keeping your accounts clean and consistent. That's it! You've recorded a withdrawal in QuickBooks using a transfer.